analyze gold. Gold is doing exactly what we wanted it to do. What do we do next? Okay, someone said we have CPI news today. Okay, so first thing first is we clear our chart. Okay, we clear our chart. Now, the mistake a lot of traders make is first thing first, they just come to the chart and they start trading. They don't take their time to check the market from higher time frame to the lower time frame. They just come to the market, they see buy and they start buying. So this ends up making them trap themselves in the wrong direction. That's why when you want to trade, number one thing you should do is first clear your charts. So we clear our charts. Okay, now after clearing our chart, what do we do next? After clear charts, we drop to what? Daily time frame. Thank you. After clearing your chart, you want to drop to the daily time frame. On daily time frame, you want to know where price is coming and where price is going. This helps to prepare your mind over the across the time frames. It helps to prepare you for what is likely to happen on a long run. All right, so on daily, what do? We follow the structure. This is pull back, breakout, pull back, breakout, pull back, and what? Breakout. Now with this, what is our direction on daily? What we just check now, what is our direction on daily? We have over 530 persons right now, so I need majority commenting. What is our direction on daily? Are we bullish or bearish? You should be able to answer this question very fast. Are we bullish or bearish on daily time frame with what you just saw right now? Are we bullish or bearish? Okay, because this is how you learn. You learn by commenting, and this community right here, this is the only community where we simplify market structure with time frame alignment. Even SMC, we simplify it here. All right, so come in. Over 1,200 is watching us from FYP. Come in right now. Let's do this together. Okay. All right. Now, what do we call this breakout here? The breakout we have right here, what do we call it? Okay. What do we call it? Thank you. This is what? Break of structure. So this means that we are bearish on daily, right? And this is what? Key levels from daily. All right, this key level price is yet to come here. Okay, this key level price came here and reacted off, and it's simple. Price always respects our key levels. In market structure, price doesn't play with key levels. That's why when we come here, I show you guys high probability key level, because market structure key levels are very, very important, mostly when it comes to daily and 4 hours. So when you come to your charts, always identify daily key levels because they are very, very powerful. All right, now you see how we did analysis from here. Then price came here, we saw the rejection, we sold before price started coming up. That is the power of key levels. All right, so if you are getting value from what we are doing right now, come in, let's do this together. All right, and make sure you follow so you don't miss it. Now we are done with daily. Now what do we do next? Sir, please, how many candle make up K11? Away key level. Hey guys, am I saying K11 or key level? Hey, am I saying K11 or key level, guys? What is coming out from my mouth? What do you guys hear me say? Is it K11 or key level? Please correct me, because someone is asking me how many candles do you need to get K11? I don't know. Did I say K11 or key level? God help me. I don't die. This app and I go finish me one day. I go they run from my village people. They see they run from this app. Eh? I go they run from my village people. Still they run from this app. Which one is K11? And they are K9, K13. How many candles do we need to get K11? We need 11 candles to get K11. 11 candles is equal to K11. Now, me on I want set up. I beg, let's continue the business of the day because. All right, on dropping to 4 hour chat, what do we do this? I mean, I'm not came in with laugh for comment section. Is typographical error, boss. It's better be typographical error. Now they speak another big grammar, typographical. All right, so to analyze on 4 hours, first thing we do is we clear our chart. Typographic error. I be typographic error. I beg, English too much. Make una reduce and small. Can you guys reduce the English? It's too much. All right. On 4 hours, the next thing we do is to find the direction of the market. Find the direction of the market. It's very necessary. Okay, so let's check. This is breakdown. This is pullback. This is breakdown. This is pullback. This is breakdown. This is pullback. And this is what? The breakout. Now, if you remember, guys, I did not take note of this one here. Away, village people everywhere. If you remember, guys, I did not take note of this one. Why? If you remember, I did not take note of this one. Can anybody tell me why I did not? So this is our high here. Okay. I want someone to tell me why I did not take note of that, please. So this is our swing high. Not a valid pullback. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This is our low. Okay. And this is what? Our breakout. All right. So if you observe as I'm marking the structure from this high to this low, I did not take note of this place. Why? Because the pullback here is not valid. All right. Now, thank you guys. So what do we call this breakout here? What do we call this breakout here? Anybody? All right, so this breakout here is called break of structure. All right, which is a continuation to the bearish market. All right, so after we've gotten our breakout, what do we do next? Anybody? What do we do next after we've identified our breakout? Leave those things now. We identify our key level because if we can see clearly, this is our high, this is our low, right? So every move inside here is an eternal structure. So what do we do next? We identify our key levels from the whole of this move. So let's check it out. This is breakout, this is pullback, and this is what? Breakout. K9, K10, I'm not gonna leave me, oh God have mercy. K11. All right, so this key level right here, this key level, now I'll be calling it slowly. This key level, what is it called? This key level, what is it called? Mr. Austin, thank you. Is our, what they call it, extreme order block. Is our extreme order block, right? Meaning that it is this order block, this extreme order block that is holding this market to be bearish. This is the key level holding the market, right? It's also called supply resistance zone. Yes, it's also called resistance zone or supply zone. anyone you want to use, they are the same thing. Just make sure you mark the whole of that zone. Now, after that, we got another order block, which is this one here. Let's use it here. This one here. Now, this order block here, what do we call it? This other block is another key levels. What do we call it? Thank you, flip zone. Now, why do we call it flip zone? We call it flip zone because it is the eternal structure that gave us what? The proper breakout. It is the eternal structure that gave us what? The proper breakout. So that level is very, very powerful because when price come back, it's going to test this level. And once it tests this level, if there are enough sellers coming in, you are going to see eternal structure shift, which we did the analysis and we also traded it, right? Now, let me ask you guys another sensitive question. The whole of the move going on inside here, what do we call them? The whole of this move going on inside here, what do we call them? Now, guys, if today is the first day of you coming to my life, make sure you click on follow right now and come in. Let's do this analysis together. This is one of the best community on TikTok where we take our time to simplify market structure and time frame alignment. We make it so easy that watching us from the very first time, you can learn how to analyze your chart, be it forex, crypto, indices, whatever. Coming here, you will learn the right way to analyze your market and how to mark what? Key levels. High probability key level. We don't just sell from anywhere. We don't just buy from anywhere. We observe key levels, right? So come in now, let's do the analysis together and also click on follow so that you don't miss us next time. All right, you might not see us again on your FYP. Come in now, let's do this together. Now listen, guys, listen. I see your gifts, guys. Now listen. The whole of this move is pullback. The whole of this move is pullback. Now there are different types of pullback, right? Guys, I see your gift. Thank you very much. There are different types of pullback. There is pullback by structure. There's pullback by candle, and there's pullback by what? 50% range. Now, guys, which of the pullback do we have here? I believe I've taught you guys this one. Which of the pullback do we have here? Lord Kobe, thank you. So this is pullback by structure, meaning that inside this pullback you have right here, there is structure inside. This is what? Breakout. This is what? Breakout again. Pullback, breakout, and another shift to the upside. Now, inside this eternal structure, what is our direction? Inside this eternal structure, which is pullback going on right now, what is our direction? MBL, thank you. It is what? Bullish. Now, with this in mind, it simply means you can trade pullbacks. It simply means you can trade pullback. So this is your high, okay? This is your low, right? And this is what? A change of direction. Now, this change of direction, what do we call it? This change of direction, Vada, thank you. This change of direction is called market structure shift or reversal. Originally, price was selling, but from selling, it turned to buy. This happening means that market have changed direction from what? Bearish to bullish. It's simple. This is the simple way to read the market. Now, if I want to trade the main direction, this is our main direction, right? This is our main direction. But this direction you have here is eternal direction. It's small direction. Is a lower direction inside the main direction. This main direction is still bearish, but inside this bearish market, you are still having what? A bullish market. It is this bullish market we call internal structure. Now, you hear people call advanced structure. They call advanced structure. This is the advanced structure I'm simplifying for you. There is nothing more advanced than this. This is the advanced structure I am simplifying for you. Once you've gotten your main structure, which is break of structure, inside that range, if you still have a smaller structure inside, it is called eternal structure. It means that pullback is going on, and inside that pullback going on, you have what? Eternal structure. Very simple. Now, let me show you the framework. If this is selling, right? After a breakout, what do you want to see? Let me give you guys the framework. After a breakout, what do you want to see? Anybody? Quick one. You want to see what? A pullback, right? Now, this is the high that is created. This is the low that is created. Inside this breakout, pullback can just happen by 1 or 3 candle pullback to 50% or breakout. Now, thank you. Retest. Thank you. It's also called retest. Now, see, it can happen by candle, then it can happen by what? Structure. Are you seeing it? This is what we call pullback by structure. Pullback by what? Structure. The whole of these moves inside, they are pullback, but they are happening by what? Structure. There are simple pullback where you just get a breakout like this, a pullback, and continue. But this one looks a little complex because this is a breakout, but it's giving you what? Eternal structure inside. This is the simple one. This is a little bit complex, but don't let them confuse you. What is going on here is still pullback. That is exactly what we have right here. After your breakout, we have what we call pullback. But inside the pullback, you have what? Eternal structure. It is tradable. It's very easy if you can understand this. The minute you understand this, understanding market direction and getting your key level will be very, very easy. Now, follow me if you are not yet to follow, and come in. Let's do this analysis together. I want to show you if you are buying on gold, where you should be buying. All right, because the direction right now is bullish. So if you are not following, click that follow right now because you might not see us on your FYP again. Like I said, this is one of the best community on TikTok where we take our time to simplify market structure and time frame alignment. We make it easy for you to find direction of the market, and we make it easy for you to find key levels that you can get high probability setup. Now, if you are getting value from what we are doing, make sure you are following us right now. Make sure you come in, join us to do this analysis together, and make sure you like, share, and what? Repost. Somebody say, remember to show your face. Hey, I never bath this morning, and I don't wear shirt. How do I show my face when I'm shirtless? Now, guys, the reason why I have to show my face is because the app will restrict me when I spend time this much without showing my face. But now, how do I show my face? Because I'm shirtless and my chest lean. I'm shirtless and my chest lean. Waiting these people won't see for the face now. And I never washed the face this morning. I beg, Mula help me beg there. All right, no need for face. Finger pointing. Okay, yeah, let me use finger to cover for the face. Now, I hope that they see my finger like this. I never brush this morning. I never walk bath self. They want me to show my face. These people will kill me for this app. Now, we've gotten our direction. Our direction right here is bullish. Are you seeing it? And this is the breakout. This shows us the direction of the market. Now, after we've gotten the direction, what do we do next? I go point out today, they go hear am. I go point out today, they go hear am. Someone says, are you a legend? Oh, man, thank you. Make it no go like say na AI. Make I dey shake the hand first. Good. After we've gotten direction, The next thing we look for is what? Key level. All right. Now, this is the first key level, which is a fair value gap, right? Now, if you see here, the fair value gap failed. So it means that this key level is no longer useful. Then this other one is what? Our flip zone. Price, it failed. So meaning that that key level is no longer useful, right? Now, the next one is this other block right here, which price came, tap the key level. Now, after that, the next thing we do, we look for what? The extreme order block. Guys, listen, guys. Looking at where price is, our main direction is bearish. Don't forget. So even if you are trading the eternal structure, don't take your mind off the original direction. Our main direction is what? Bearish. Now, listen why I want to say this now. If this key level fails, guys, forget about this key level. Price is likely going to crash more. If this key level fails to push price higher, just know that price is coming to take this low. That is why you see that extreme key level, I am not advising you to trade it. If this key level fails right here, know that price is coming to crash lower. Now, if you are getting value from what we are doing, come in right now. Let's do this analysis together. I'm going to show you guys one more pair. I'm going to show you guys one more pair and I will leave you. Remember, after price top this key level, the next thing we do is what? Look for confirmation. This candle alone is a buy confirmation. This candle alone is a buy confirmation. But if you don't want to use it, drop to 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, this is another key level. Someone said with a pack view. Yeah, we'll get up to like 5,000 views from FYP here. Now, this is buy, this is pullback, this is buy. Now, if you want to buy, this is another place to buy. Are you seeing it? For those that bought here, they are swimming in profit already. All right, but I expected price to come lower this morning, but only to see price wake up and fly. Are you seeing it? So this is the simplest way to read market and get your direction. Now, this is it for Euro USD. Let's drop it to 4 hours again. Now, guys, if you miss this buy here, forget it. Don't bother buying again if you don't want to be trapped. You know how I teach you guys? Always buy from key level. Always trade from key level. Once you miss that key level, forget it. Don't trade again. Any buy you catch now is likely going to be a trap. The best place to buy is at key level. All right, now, did you get value from what I just did? If you got value from what I did now, follow for more and also repost, like and share. Entry confirmation on a lower time frame. Yes, which is 15 minutes. I just showed you guys. Now, guys, look at this pair. See this pair I want to show you. Euro CHF, AUD CHF. You see these two pairs. Wash out for the two of them this week. Guys, I see your gift. Thank you very much. Okay, Euro CHF and AUD CHF. These two pair, wash out for them. Now, let's do the analysis so that I can see what I'm saying on them. Guys, do you want me to analyze this pair? If you want me to analyze it, comment yes on the comment section. If you are not want me to analyze this pair, comment yes. If you don't want, say no. Majority will win the vote. We have over 695 people actively watching us right now. Now, we have over 900 on FYP. Guys, come in. Let's analyze this pair together so that you too will know if this pair is worth trading or not. If this pair is worth trading or not. So come in. Let's do the analysis together. So without wasting much of your time, majority went for yes. So let's analyze this pair. Now, guys, to analyze this pair, what do we do first? To analyze this pair, what do we do first? When Kosi, thank you. Now, guys, if you are joining us for the first time, this is how we do it. Before we analyze any pair, we make sure we clear our chart. It doesn't matter how sweet that chart looks. We are going to clear it because we want to see clearly what market is going to do on that pair. Now, after clearing the pair, what do we do next? Go to higher time frame, which is what? Daily time frame. Wambo, thank you. We drop to daily time frame. Now, on daily time frame, we want to also have a naked chart to read what is likely happening on the chart. We want to see what is going on the chart. Now, guys, what is the main structure of this pair? What is our main structure on this pair? Let me see those understand what we are doing here. What is our main? Thank you very much. Our main structure right here is bearish. This is breakout. This is pullback. This is breakout. This is pullback. This is another breakout. Now, once you've gotten this, the next thing you do is what? Identify your high. Identify your high. It's simple to get direction, guys. It's simple to get direction. This is your swing high. Identify your low. This is your swing low, right? Wow, we have over 2,347 people watching us from FYP. Guys, come in. Let's do the analysis together. Come in. Why are you guys hiding? Don't learn trading. Who be these village people? Are you seeing it? Is this simple? Is that simple? Now, this is where the breakout happen. What do? Identify this as a breakout. Are you seeing it? So, we can now remove this. We can now remove this. We have gotten our direction. Now, what do we do next? Anybody? What do we do next? After we've gotten our direction, MKKKKKKKKK, we mark our key levels. Remember, your key levels are the eternal structures. Your key level are the eternal structure, right? So let's take them. This is the extreme order block, right? This is another key level. Let's refine it small. Okay. Now, price have already passed these key levels, so we don't need them again. All right. Don't worry. I will zoom in. It's not yet time. Okay. So this is our extreme order block. Are you seeing it? Now, these are the two most important key levels right now. Now, how do we know this key level is going to hold? Anybody? How do we know this key levels is going to hold? Market structure shift. On what time frame? We want to see what? Market structure shift on 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hour, depending on the structure that is close to the time frame. Now, we are going to highlight it. Now, after this, we are done with daily. What do we do next? We are done with daily structure. What do we do next? Anybody? What do we do next? Thank you. We drop to 4 hour. Good. We drop to what? 4 hours. On 4 hours, what do we do next? What do we do? Immediately we drop to 4 hours. Anybody? Thank you. We clear our chart. All we need is this key level. Because this is where price is reacting from daily time frame, and price is there already, so we are going to leave it. Now, after clearing our chart, the next thing we do is what? We find the direction. So this is the breakout, pullback, breakout, pullback, and what? Do we have a breakout here? Let's see. I'm coming. Let's see, do we have a breakout here? Yes, we do. We do. Yes, there's a breakout there. Can you see it? The candle close signifies that this is a breakout. Okay, this thing is simple, guys. This thing is simple. Just take your time. Take like 6 months of your time, of your life self. Learn this market structure properly. Now, this becomes your high, right? This becomes your what? Your low. Okay. Are you seeing it? Now, on 4 hour, this is our high. Market is creating liquidity. Thank you. It's good you see that. This is our high. This is our low. And this is what? Our break of structure. Now, with this candle alone, it is obvious that price is trying to shift. Are you seeing it? With this candle alone, it is obvious that price is trying to shift. And the moment we see this shift, we are going to sell crazy, target the whole of this low. Are you seeing it? We are going to sell, targeting the whole of that low. So what do we do right here? Because of this candle, we want to wait for this candle to break before we continue selling. But on 15 minutes, let's drop to 15 minutes. Guys, what do you see here on 15 minutes? What do you see here on 15 minutes? Are you seeing anything here? Market structure shifts right here on 15 minutes. Market structure shift. This is the shift. Now, this is number 1 confirmation. Now, but listen, this is a low probability setup, but it is number 1 confirmation. Right? So what do? We mark our fib level. Where is our fib level? Right here. Now, this is where we want to look for a sell. It's that simple, guys. You can look for a sell here, or you wait for the other block if price will come. These are 2 ways you can sell. You sell from this other block. These are how you can get your trade. It's that simple, guys. Not too much grammar. Now, if you are trading from here, you are going to wait for confirmation. And what is that confirmation you need? Because you can see structure coming up. In fact, you don't need any confirmation. All you need is wait for price to come into this level and you sell. Because this is 15 minutes already. Except you are looking for sniper entry. This is 15 minutes already. Don't overstress it. Look for a sell and take price down. Guys, is there anything difficult here? Now, listen. For our sell to be strong, we need this low to be broken. You see this sell we are selling here is not a high probability setup. This sell is going to become a high probability setup if this low is broken, because 4 hour is bearish. 4 hour is still bullish. So if we are selling on 15 minutes when 4 hour is still bullish, it means that we are going against 4 hours. So if you are selling here, don't sell too much. Also know that the probability of it failing is high. But when you sell here, watch out to see if you get a breakout of this low. The moment you get a breakout of this low, guy, hold your trade. Hold it till we reach the daily low. Are you seeing it? I've taught you guys how to get entries, how to layer your entries. So I'm not going to say too much here. So this is where I am going to leave you guys today. Okay, so